Hi there, students. I'm sorry the light's not so good, but the sound is okay so you can hear me. So this is to help you guys and girls who are having problems with that ah sound. Ah, am, at, attack, Atlanta, ah. So, just some practice sentences. Fat rats sat on the cat's lap. Again, fat rats sat on the cat's lap. Another. Sam's man has ham-like hands. Sam's man has ham-like hands. The next. Matt's chaps are at the attack. Matt's chaps are at the attack. And the last one, easy. The lab man has a black cap. The lab man has a black cap. So, ah. Get that ah sound right. Okay? Ah, at, am, attack. So, I hope that's helped. Practice the sentences. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.